Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I will be showing you how to fix controller not working on Epic Games Launcher. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So here are the troubleshooting steps you can try to fix the issue. So first of all, check controller compatibility. So ensure that your controller is officially supported by the Epic Games Launcher. Most modern controllers from popular brands like Xbox, PlayStation, and Nintendo should work without any issues. However, some third-party or older controllers may not be fully compatible. Connect your controller. Make sure your controller is properly connected to your computer. For wired controllers, check that the USB cable is securely plugged in into both the controller and the computer. For wireless controllers, ensure that they are paired and connected via Bluetooth or a wireless adapter. Next, restart the launcher and game. So close the Epic Games launcher and any game you are trying to play with the controller. Then, relaunch the launcher and the game to see if the controller starts working. And next, update controller drivers. So ensure that your controller's drivers are up to date. If you're using a console controller, you may need to connect it to your computer and let Windows automatically install the necessary drivers. Then next, check game settings. Some games may have specific settings for controller support that need to be enabled in the game options. Check the game settings to see if there is an option to enable controller support. Then enable controller support in Launcher. Open the Epic Games Launcher and go to Settings. Under the Controller section, make sure Enable Controller Support is toggled on. Now, restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various software-related issues, including controller problems. Next is to check for launcher and game update. So, ensure that both the Epic Games launcher and the game you're trying to play are up to date. Update them if necessary. The next one is to try a different USB port or cable. If you're using a wired controller, try connecting it to a different USB port or using a different USB cable to rule out any hardware issues. And lastly, test the controller in other applications. Verify that the controller is functioning correctly by testing it in other applications or game outside the Epic Games launcher. If none of these steps work, there might be specific compatibility or configuration issues with your controller or the game you're trying to play. In such cases, consider reaching out to Epic Games support or checking their official forums for additional assistance. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!